guys, big announcement here. I will be back racing MXGP with the new Ducati MX. So see you in Arnhem 17 and 18 of August.
Well, there it is. And Tony Cairoli will be making the Ducati MXGP world debut in the Netherlands next weekend, and I'm excited for this. This is a 9-time world champion on a new bike that's proved itself to be at least competitive, at least with him riding it in the Italian Championship. And now we get to see it against the best in the world. Hurling's at seems to be pretty close to old rate. You've got Geiser, you've got Prado, you've got all the big brands, Red Bull, KTM, everybody that this bike is going to be competing against soon. And we get to see somebody who has competed against them, has won multiple titles against these people on a bike that he's helped to develop and bring into existence. So now the question becomes, how well is it? How good is it? How does it stack up? I mean, obviously you can say, oh, well, he's been retired for a few years, quote unquote. So it's not like I don't know. He's not like giving Prado the bike and having him race at his prime, but it's still a competitive look at what this bike could be, will be in the future, however you want to put it, or where it falls at the moment. I'm excited for this. Obviously, I think it was next year that they're doing MXGP, and then maybe 26 they're coming over here. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, bro. I don't actually remember the timeline. I think that sounds about correct though. And obviously this is the 450, so we'll have the 250 next year, I believe, and we'll go from there. And just kind of, it's a cool thing. Like I always say, more competition's always good. This is another big factory ride. This is Ducati. This isn't some small, Beta or somebody coming out. I'm not saying Beta small, but in comparison, company size, they are minuscule compared to Ducati. And the amount of money that they've been pumping into road racing for the last few years, they're going to be doing it in this too, because you don't want to bring out a bike and then have it just fall on its face and fail. But I don't know. I think it's going to be cool. And depending on what the timeline is, maybe it gets pushed up. If it's competitive already, you might see some teams want it earlier, and who knows. Uh, Also, the question becomes of how expensive this bike is going to be, because yeah, it's a Ducati, so it's probably going to be a little bit more than your average Yamaha or Suzuki. Um, but comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. How well do you think it does? Um, are you excited for this? Are you excited for when it comes to the US? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.